How to verify files in Epic Games. Hi everybody. Welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to verify files in Epic Games. To begin with, you want to open the Epic Games application and log in. Next, from the home page, you want to head over to your left hand side corner and go to Libraries tab. When you go to the Library tab, then on this field, you want to locate the particular game for which you want to verify the game file. So in my case, at the moment, I do not have any sort of game that I've added. So what you need to do, just click that up or just right click on the game and you could see a pop-up window where you could find this option as verify game file. So all you need to do is click that out, and from there you could just go ahead and follow the on-screen prompt in order to verify your Epic Games game file. So that way you'll be able to see the confirmation stating that your game has been successfully verified, something familiar. And that's how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.